Hi, my name is Michael Braswell, or Mr. Braswell to my students. This year is going really smoothly, mainly because I have a bunch of awesome students in my classes. So today what I'd like to do is give you a brief overview of my chemistry classes, as well as some general rules that should be followed by each student in the class. Let's begin with the course objectives. The Regents chemistry course is designed to expose students to a wholesome curriculum which will lead to a better understanding of a variety of topics. Students enrolled in Regents level chemistry will be required to demonstrate the ability to understand all concepts defined by the current course syllabus. The textbook used in Regents chemistry is entitled HOLT Chemistry by Myers, Oldham, and Tocci. I may be contacted by phone at the following number: area code 914-422-2154. Or you may contact me by email at wbraswell@wpcsd.k12.ny.us, or I may be reached at www.wphschem.webs.com. The required material for the course is listed as follows. Number 1, a notebook. Students are required to possess at least a well-kept spiral notebook. Notebooks should contain a minimum of 200 pages. Number 2, a scientific calculator or a mobile device with calculator capabilities. Note, mobile devices may not be used during assessments. The grading system is based on departmentally established rules. A. Homework. Homework represents 10% of your grade. Homework is part of the asynchronous learning, where assignments are done at a student's own pace. B. Applications and practice are worth 20% of the grade. Applications and practice can be synchronous, which means that under my supervision during a class, or asynchronous, which is on a student's own time. C. Laboratory assignments. Laboratory assignments will be either virtually or by video or in person. Students who attend school on a lab day will be given a laboratory assignment. Otherwise, students must either watch a video or do a virtual lab activity. Anyway, lab assignments are worth 20% of the grade. And D, assessments. Assessments are quizzes and tests, and assessments are worth 50% of the quarterly grade. The overall grade is calculated as follows, where each quarter accounts for 20% of the overall grade. The midterm exam accounts for 4%, and the Regents exam accounts for 16% of the final grade. Topics covered in this course are consistent with previously established New York State Regents standards. Other concerns. A. Laboratory safety. By law, students are required to wear safety goggles at all times when performing a laboratory assignment. This and all other relevant rules are listed on your child's lab safety contract. Now clearly this only applies to students who perform laboratories in class. Tardiness to class. Students should be in the classroom or online before the second bell sounds. A schedule of class meeting times should be in your child's possession. Behavior. All students are expected to behave in a respectful manner to each other and the teaching staff at all times. And remember, I'm available to give extra help after school or by appointment via Zoom. This concludes my brief presentation of the course objective, the grading system, and the codes of conduct that your child should follow this year when taking chemistry. I know this year will be very successful for all of us. Thanks for watching.